Today, we are solving one of life's little mysteries: how to cook perfect rice in the microwave. Whether you are in a dorm, short on time, or just hate watching the stove, this method is a game changer. I will show you exactly how to get fluffy, perfectly cooked rice every time, with just a microwave and a few simple steps. Step 1. Choose your rice ratio. First things first, pick your rice. This method works great with white rice, jasmine, or basmati. The golden rule? 1 part rice to 2 parts water for most white rice. So for 1 cup of rice, you will need 2 cups of water. Brown rice? Go for a 1 minute and 2.5 seconds ratio since it needs more liquid. Step 2. Rinse the rice, place it in a fine mesh strainer and rinse under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch so your rice does not get gummy. See how cloudy this water is? We want it clear. Step 3. Microwave-safe container. You will need a large microwave-safe bowl. I am using this 2-quart glass one. The key? Plenty of room for the rice to expand. Add your rinsed rice and water, then give it a quick stir. Optional, add a pinch of salt or a teaspoon of oil for flavor. Step 4. Microwave time. Cover the bowl with a microwave-safe lid or plastic wrap and leave a small vent. Microwave on high for 10 minutes, then medium power for 5 more minutes. No peeking, we want to keep all that steam inside. Step 5. Let it rest. Let it rest for 5 minutes after microwaving. Keep it covered. This allows the rice to finish absorbing any remaining water and become perfectly fluffy. Step 6. Fluff serve. Remove the cover, fluff with a fork, and behold perfect microwave rice. See how each grain is separate and fluffy? That's what we want. Quick bonus tips: double the recipe? Add 50% more time. Too dry? Add 1 tablespoon of water and microwave for 1 more minute. Too wet? Leave uncovered for extra 2 minutes. Storage tip: keep in the fridge for up to 5 days. Perfect microwave rice in under 20 minutes. Who knew it could be this easy? If this saved you from another rice cooking disaster, hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe for more kitchen hacks. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to microwave meal. See you next time.